Hello, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so today I'm sharing 15 latest trending wedding fascinators that you can rock if you're a lover of fascinator, or you're wedding soon, or you like face and veil knits a lot. Just stay tuned and choose from this long list. It's a long list. Top of the list is our number one spiral fascinator. This fascinator is designed with straw strap, cinnamon or crinoline with your veil knits. It's very simple design. In my next video, I'll be sharing how to achieve this design using straw strap, your face knit and this stone trimming. A very simple and hot one, don't miss it. Number 2 is this bridal veil fascinator rocked by Queen of BB Niger. I will share a video too. Number 3 is the satellite veil knit. Number 4 is this wide brim fascinator. Hats are also very lovely. Number 5 on the list is the spiral crinoline fascinator, a unique one. I have a video on this too. Number 6, bow veil knit. Yes, it's a simple one. I'll share a video. Number 7 is this veil knit face fascinator. Simply unique. It's very simple but very beautiful. Number 8 on the list is this trending face fascinator. I shared a video on how to do this. Check my channel. Also, number 9 is this clip face fascinator. A very simple design but very lovely. Number 10, this crinoline rose fascinator. Simply beautiful. Number 11 is a wide brim fascinator. It's pretty. I love it. Wow. Number 12 is my sweetheart. Is a costume that we use veil knit and beads to make it. It's very beautiful. Satellite fascinator is number 13. Very pretty. Number 14 is this crinoline hair accessory. I have a video that I did on this. Check out in my channel, you'll see it. And number 15 is this gorgeous face fascinator. Leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. See you.